and exclusivity.
uMogoeng akaqali ukuphawula ngendlela engehli kahle kwabanye. Imbono yakhe ngodaba lakwa-Israel limdonsele amanzi ngomsele.
I'm under an obligation as a Christian to love Israel, to pray for the peace of Jerusalem, which actually means the peace of Israel. And I cannot, as a Christian, do anything other than love and pray for Israel, because I know hatred for Israel by me and for my nation can only attract unprecedented curses upon our nation. Did Israel take away our land? Did Israel take away the land of Africa? Did Israel take the mineral wealth of South Africa and of Africa?
Ukuphumela kwakhe obala ngothando analo ngezwe lakwa-Israel kumfake enkingeni uMogoeng njengoba kunenhlangano engenzi inzuzo enobudlelwane nePalestine esivele yafaka isikhalo ngalokho. Ngalesikhalo ikomidi elibhekele ubulungiswa limlahle ngecala uMogoeng wabe esenxuswa ukuthi axolise.
There will therefore be no retraction. There is nothing to retract. There will be no apology. If I perish, I perish.
Angeke kuze kuphele ngaye uMogoeng, kodwa ke kumele axolise.
The original comments of the Chief Justice were legitimate, fair, and in fact impartial. They gave full credence to both sides of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. They were balanced and they expressed support for peace and a peaceful resolution to the Israeli-Palestinian issue.
Noma ngabe lesi kwaba isinqumo esingaphosile eyenziwe yinkolelo anayo ngenkolo, kodwa ke manje uMogoeng kumele axolise. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze SABC eGoli.